Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on GNANGSTUDIO 40. Today I want to show you how to install Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus wallpapers directly on your beautiful Samsung Galaxy. It's not free. As you see, it's here. On 2019, get ready. Before doing this, look at these wallpapers. The wallpapers of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is not bad. It's beautiful. This is Samsung Galaxy S10. Wow, this is the S10 Plus. Free camera for you, wonderful, for your beautiful videos. As you see, it's so great and so nice. Now, let's go to install this. Don't forget to subscribe and click on like if you like this. Let's go. Okay, welcome. This is my beautiful phone and it's unbelievable. Wonderful. Today I want to show you how to install this right now. Get ready to do this. To do this, you need absolutely to go on your beautiful browser, Google Chrome. And on Google Chrome, you need to enter here Galaxy S9, S10 wallpaper. Get ready. And when you do this, click on images. After images, you will see all Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus and S10 and another S10a appear in front of you. Now, do this to see your wallpaper. And when the quality of this image is so beautiful, do this: Alt, download, continue, click on Hello, and download. And now you can open your beautiful wallpaper directly here. Get ready, so beautiful. On your gallery, you can localize this wallpaper. It's here. Wonderful. And you can set as wallpaper. Okay, set as wallpaper here. And choose your beautiful preference. Get ready. I want to put this on my home screen before. Look at. Wow. So nice. What do you think? You can do this to resize. Wonderful. Click on set as wallpaper here. Home screen. Wonderful. Look at that. Wow. So nice. It's so nice. Very nice. Look at this. Beautiful. I like it. I like this. Wow. Wonderful. I need to do something. Localization. Okay. Wonderful. Do this. Close this. Home screen. Wonderful. Look at that. Look at that now. Wow. Your weather is here. And wow. It's so nice. I think that is so nice. It's so very nice. Look at the color of this case. All of this is so great. Okay, let's download another wallpaper now. Do the same action. Go on Chrome. Go back. And let's see another wallpaper as this. Do the same action. Click on download. Download. Do the same action. Do this. And go on gallery. Go back And look at here, your new wallpaper is in front of you. Now come here, set as wallpaper, and put on your beautiful lock screen. And then you can do the same action to resize. Okay, get ready. Let's resize. Look at here. Okay, one, not bad, not bad. Do this. Okay, click on set as wallpaper now. Home screen, beautiful. Now go on your lock screen to see lock screen, and it's done. Look at that, it's great. Wow, very nice. Look at, you can put your pin here. Wow, I like it. I like it. Your beautiful notification is here. I make a video to show you how to install this wallpaper also on a beautiful Samsung Galaxy S. Please, Samsung Galaxy Note 8, as you see, Note 8. You can watch this video. Let me to put my password. Okay. You can watch this video directly to my YouTube channel, GNANGSTUDIO 4D, and subscribe to help me to obtain 1000 subscribers. Okay, and when you subscribe, don't forget to click here to activate notification. Click on like and get ready. Wow, it's so nice, it's so wonderful. I like it. Okay, now let's download another wallpaper quickly. Come here. Wonderful. You can also download the last another wallpaper. Click on download image. Go back, and you can see there are another wallpapers under that you can download. Wow, so beautiful. Do a same action. Download, look at the size. Wow, so great. Okay, alright. Now download this. Do this. Beautiful. And as you see, this is a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. All of this wallpaper is in front of you now. Now you can see what is your preference. When you see the lock screen, look at on the lock screen. The first wallpaper is here, and when you see the second, look at the second wallpaper. If the wallpaper that you have downloaded is here in front of you, have you seen? Do this, set as wallpaper, and put on your home screen. Wow, this wallpaper is good on lock screen. Let's see on home screen. Look at, not bad, not bad. Okay, and the last wallpaper is here. Wow, let's see gallery, and it's here. Wonderful. To the selection, click on set as wallpaper. Home screen. Oh, very good, very good, very good job, bro. So nice. Set as wallpaper, home screen, and it's good. You have now all of Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus wallpapers. It's so nice. Wow, is unbelievable. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus wallpapers for you, and all of it is here for you. If you like, don't forget to subscribe, click on like, and say to me what is your preference between all of this wallpaper. Wow, rotation, you can also make rotation. Wow, and it's good. Set as contact. Also, our wallpaper, home screen or lock screen. Okay, and then very nice. Wow, lock screen now. Beautiful. I like it. I like it. I like it. Wow, look at that. Look at that. It's so nice. And it's so beautiful. I like this. I like this. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, and get ready for more videos on GNANGSTUDIO 4D. Subscribe today. I love you so much. Let's go.